Another suspected crime involving a Kenyan woman in a foreign country has been reported in the neighboring country of Uganda. Rosemary Nyambura Maina was arrested and charged with stealing a foreigner's bag at Entebbe International Airport shortly after passengers' arrival in Uganda. However, Rosemary Maina Nyambura, she denied the charges before she was remanded to Kiko Prison until April 16, 2025. As we go on, remember to like, to share and subscribe to Legal Investigative for more investigative information in Kenya and around the world. Uganda's Civil Aviation Authority Manager Public Affairs said there was a case of organized theft involving two Kenyan nationals and a Uganda who connected and convinced to steal a bag from a passenger who had just arrived in Uganda. According to Uganda's Civil Aviation Manager, the victim was a foreigner who had just arrived in Uganda, but he had a driver who was helping him to load a luggage in the car. The lady distracted the driver by asking him some unconditioned questions. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Legal Investigative for more investigative information in Africa.